Hey, it's Joanne from joannesmithmarketing.com, and today I'm just going to do a quick video on how to post an image to your Instagram account inside your desktop app, and also how to create an image for Instagram. Now, I've just come across this new program recently called spark.adobe.com. Spark.adobe.com. And if you have an Adobe account, all you have to do is log in. It's free to use. There is a paid version where you can get more features, but I'm just using the free to use version. So you can design on the fly. Just a project I'm working on now. Find an image, you click on the image, and over here you can put in any keyword you want. So we put in happy. So you can use any of these photographs in your Instagram image. So let's try this one here. And then you double click on the text bar and you type in something inspirational. You put in your Instagram name here. And also you can change the designs up. You can choose another design, another layout, as many layouts and text overlays you can use, and you just suit and resuit the image to suit. You can click on them, you can move the text around. You can also change the colors of the text, whatever area you choose. It's pretty damn amazing, actually. Much faster to design than Canva, I find. I'm really happy with it. And if you say, oh, I don't like that image, just go over and you can choose another image. So basically you can really design something very fast on the fly for your Instagram account. You can move the text around. You can change the text by double clicking on it. You can change the text size here. You can change your letter spacing, your line spacing, everything you want to do as a graphic designer. You can add shapes, move the padding, remove the shape, no shapes, put that back in. Colors, you can change, so you can really design on the fly. You might say, oh, you might want to use the same text again. It's pretty amazing. Change the color. So then that's how you get your image for Instagram. And then you download and you save it as a JPEG and download it to your download folder. Okay, so you got your Instagram image. And what you do then is you hop over to Instagram and open Instagram in your desktop browser. If you have Windows, this is for Windows 10 specifically. And you can, Instagram is open, you can see some images I put up there. Now, how we upload this image to Instagram, you basically just right click on the page, inspect, okay, so as you can see now, we're in mobile phone view, and you just click on the plus sign, navigate to the image we downloaded. I did this one earlier, so I might choose this one. Open it. Next, you can type in a caption. What do you think? And put your hashtags in. Think. Quote. And share. So it's uploading the image now. And then if we go back to our Instagram to just view it on the desktop here, go back to my home page, and you can see the image has been posted and with my headline and my hashtags. So that's basically how you create an image in Photoshop when you open up spark.adobe.com. Log in with your Adobe account. Then you create a new project, and you can choose from a whole range of designs, pre-made designs. You can move the text around, double click on the text, you can change the text. You can easily change the background image with any keyword, and then you save the picture as a JPEG to your local folder on your desktop. Go back over to Instagram, make sure you're in the mobile view. Press the plus button, navigate to the photograph, open it, next. Type in your caption, great quote, hashtag quotes, share the image. Go back over and check on a normal desktop browser. Image is there, click on it. Got your heading and your hashtag. Okay, so that's a quick tutorial on how to create a photo for Instagram, an inspiration photograph, where to get a free image, write your text, brand it, and how to upload it on your Windows 10 desktop without having to do it on your mobile. Okay? So that's all now from JoanneSmithMarketing.com. I'll talk to you soon.